Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by making sure the Pioneer unit and iPhone are ready. Update the head unit firmware so CarPlay features and bug fixes are present. This prevents compatibility issues. Next, plug a good lightning cable into the USB port labeled CarPlay and connect your iPhone. Once done, unlock the phone and confirm CarPlay in Settings General CarPlay, allowing use while locked. This sequence ensures a stable, recognized connection and avoids intermittent disconnects during setup. You'll now authorize and tailor the experience. When the Pioneer displays prompts, accept them. On the iPhone, grant permissions for maps, messages, and media so CarPlay can access content. If you prefer wireless CarPlay, pair Bluetooth first and then follow the wireless pairing flow. Wired users can skip this. Once connected, customize the CarPlay home screen from your iPhone by dragging apps into preferred positions. This makes frequent apps immediately reachable and reduces distraction while driving. You're ready to use CarPlay. Activate Siri for hands-free control, or use the Pioneer touchscreen and steering wheel buttons for navigation, calls, and media. When you finish, switch the head unit to another source before unplugging, or stop the vehicle and then disconnect the cable to avoid data interruption. If CarPlay fails to appear, the most effective troubleshooting is to replace the cable and restart your iPhone. If that fails, update the Pioneer's firmware or reset CarPlay in iPhone settings to restore.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.